Hi, and welcome back. In this final module, you'll learn the relationship between traffic and pins using Pinterest. You've learned how to post in Pinterest. It's important to know Pinterest's focus is more towards links and websites. The whole idea of Pinterest is to assist in generating traffic. So, how is your pin liked by users out there? It's the same as how you look at other posts. Users have the options to like it and repin it. Once a post is repinned, followers of the user or their circle will have the chance to see it too. Did you know over 80% of the pins in Pinterest consist of repins? There is a possibility your pin could already be circulating on Pinterest. You receive notifications for every like, repin, or saved in your profile page. Here's something to consider when using Pinterest. According to studies, 80% of Pinterest's users are women, followed by men at 20%. The highest search pins are art, food, makeup, fashion, and gifts. Hence, Nike's decision to create an account only for their Nike women's line, smart move. To attract most of the users in Pinterest, you need an eye-catching high-definition image and a working link. Remember to aim for likable pins rather than pins filled with comments. Likeable pins usually end up saved to users' boards. Posts on Pinterest won't show you how many likes a post has, but it will show the number of saved to other boards. That's your aim. To some, generating traffic using Pinterest, publish high likability pins that encourage other users to share, like, and repin. You'll see your list expand, and so will your followers.